Good day. Have a good one, all right? Whoa! That's a cool one, ain't it? Woo! There we go, boys. That was a big limb. That was really nice. All right, I'll let you guys get in there. That was really good, man. So yeah, like anything that's, you know, that you're not taking a bunch of suckers off to leave for firewood or whatever's easiest, you know, we don't have to, we can still chip like 4 inches and down or 5 if it's connected to a big limb. You guys decide, right? Even up past that first crotch, those couple pieces, right? Make it easier on you. Yeah, up until where the next branches are on those ones, that can all be firewood. But once again, get the brush off first, leave the wood for after. Ready? Perfect. With your mouth, yeah. Seen a video where they do this? You know what I mean? Damn right she is. Just kind of let it float down. All right, boys, you ready? I'm actually gonna get ready to unclip for this if I have to. Yeah. Tiny bit more. See, but the holding wood is everything that you want, right? Okay, I can see it's just a tiny bit too much. It's coming, isn't it? I don't want to get hit, Carrot. This piece might go there. It might get caught and spin, right? See those branches up there? So that's why I'm trying to get lower and limit this. So if I have to swing, because my swing sucks from here, right? I'm trying to take everything into account, buddy. Because I'd hate to unclip and go for this swing. I'm going to bash against the log, right? So that's why you leave holding wood. I got to do a bit. So close, bud. Just give it a second, boys. Just give it a second. Okay, here it goes. Sorry, Coop, this is a long one. It's crazy though, isn't it? Like, you know what? Give it a sec. This is gonna go. This is gonna go. You see what I mean though, right? If it comes back, at least now I've moved down and I can get out of the way. No, 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 I don't want that. I don't want that. All right, Coop, quick pause. You can turn yours off. Ready, bud? See how much tougher it is when I'm out like this? Oh fuck, this sucks. Release, release, release. Oh, that's good, that's good. Oh, I'm getting out of here, boys. Release this a bit more. Come down. I have another idea too. It's crazy how many ideas that I have. Just wait, boys. This is gonna be one for the books right here. Yeah, man. Where's the log gonna go, right? We're straight down. You see the thought process involved though? Like, okay, boys. No saws underneath, we're all set. Okay, here we go. No, Karis, it's gonna break up there. It's gonna break, it's already off, it's just held. when I cut this, the log's gonna fall. That piece of wood that I cut is gonna break. You still just have that top, and now you can rope it the way you want, right? Let her come down though, okay? Coop, you good? Here she goes. Woo! Yo! That was so pretty, man! Woo! You should be okay, bud. You'll be all right. That's good. Ready? Here we go. I gotta check. No, I pressed it. I pressed it. We're good. Here we go, Karis. Ready? Oh, yeah! Yeah, do you see me bounce on that, baby? That's all right. Yeah, baby! Woo! I'm down for a ride, brother. Alright, I see you, Coop. Perfect. Perfect or what? Hold. Ha ha! There we go, baby. Nice job, Coop. If you can come in and make, even if you need a 194. Yo, there's a piece of deadwood up here, Coop. Just a heads up in case it breaks. Okay? It won't kill you, but it'll hurt a little bit.
I think I can pull this now. If I pull it this way.
Okay.
Let her down.
I'll tell you if that deadwood snaps, but I think you're pretty good. Why don't you just grab a 194 and cut that lower brush?
Yeah, it's true. I'm just trying to get a branch, see if I can pull it out. But...
Okay, just make sure you don't crush that job.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, actually, maybe cut it just for the stage.
Yeah, sounds good.
I don't want the butt end to freak out.
Sounds good, buddy. If you cut a little bit off, then it's just an easier drop, right?
Yeah.
Karis got it, why not?
What if you go that way, pull it the other way?
You think?
Yeah. And then you pull it
I
away
was just
from the
thinking.
edge, right?
Oh, looks like it's coming out that way. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, go that way. Yeah.
Give her crap, Coop. You got it, Coop. Come on, Coop, get it! There you go. Good job, boys. Gareth, you can probably start letting it down a bit.
Yeah, I'm not holding it.
Oh, shit, right on. Hey, Gareth, you can probably come into the porter wrap and take it off the porter wrap now. And that way it'll be easier for you to drop it.
Yeah, that's it.
Hold on. I'm going to go ahead. Hold on. Just hold it right here. It's coming down.
It wants to go that way, but I want to pull it over top.
All right. I got the rope. I have it a little bit, okay, guys? There you go. Am I good to drop?
Yeah.
There she is.
I just don't want the like far.
Hey. I don't want to hit nothing, you know?
Yeah.
So, all right, I'm going to drop the rope. Kareth, you can pull it back the way you are. The rope is dropped. I'll give you guys a second to work that out. Hard hats off for just a second, boys. If I can get it off my freaking head. Maybe now, Kareth, you come here, and you come here too, and hold it here. Kareth, come a little bit closer, hold it, and then we'll just keep on scooping as you go, okay? You got it? Okay, you got it. this side steady. Peel this off. Watch out. It's almost like ladders were made for it, eh? Take it off. Just for the first one do we do that. We can chip this shit. That's just for the first one, bro. That's it. Ladder off to the side. Now it's gonna be 3 inches with that, right? Yeah. So we took off the top layer with the ladder. Take a break, man. Watch for a bit. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Check this out. Hey, Terrace, come here. We're gonna eyeball this, okay? So you just have to hold it kind of level, okay? I'm gonna make sure your legs aren't anywhere near this. You got a guard on the end, okay? And here we go. You're gonna get the cut, okay? Here we go. You gotta keep it off the wood a little bit. Ready? Yeah, right there. Grab the wedges and hammer, put it behind me. Cool, hey bud? 3 inches. I like 3 inches. I have it set to 3 inches. Yell in my ear.
What's the difference to the 2 and the 3?
What, if it's 4 to 3?
No, 2
I like 3 because I like big slabs. So here, what we do, we don't jam them in too hard. I'm going to go in a bit further, all right? A little bit further. Look at the gap here, you know what I mean, and make sure it kind of is what it is. When you do this, you don't go that hard. It's kind of like, just so it doesn't pinch, right? You don't want to push it up, then you're bending the bar. Tap, all right? Yeah, nice little tap. A little more. Good, perfect.